today marks the beginning of a new start, a new year. We request you to shower your divine blessings on us. May all the moments of this new year be beneficial for all of us. I pray to you that may I uplift myself from this new year. Hey Prabhu, from this year onwards, may we get closer to you every moment and every single passing day. Please bless us with the gift of right understanding. We wish that may this new year be full of promising activities and may it be beneficial in every way. We request you to accept our respect and our greetings as we bow down to you. And we pray that may all of us have an easy acceptance of all the things that come in our way of life. Please grace us with your divine blessings. May this coming year be favorable and rewarding for all living beings of this world. शुभ थाओ सकल विश्वनो शुभ थाओ सकल विश्वनो मंगल थाओ सकल विश्वनो. May all the living beings have all possible beneficial situations throughout the year. Mangal Thao, Mangal Thao, Mangal Thao. May each one of us gain favorable outcomes and benefits from every place and field. From each moment of time, be it past, present, or future. May we be rewarded with pure and positive emotions from all directions and in every way. Hey Prabhu, we request you with such pure thoughts in our hearts. Tityarame Pasyantu. He Tirthankar Paramatma, kindly be pleased with me. Samahivara Muttamam Dintu. Please bless us with peace and a stable state of mind. Siddha Siddhi Mama Disantu. He Siddh Paramatma, kindly grace me with liberation. Tityarame Pasyantu. Let us all pray to Prabhu with our arms stretched wide open. Tityarame Pasyantu. May this world get rid of all the negativities and may positive vibrations spread in the entire universe. May all the living beings be blessed with good health. I pray that no one suffers from any disease. And in this coming new year, may everybody stay healthy, fit, and fine. Arugbo labham. Arugbo labham. We request you to be pleased with all of us and shower your blessings on us. Give me strength to face all the troubles and set all our bad karmas. May this new year witness everything pure and divine. May every person see success, growth, and prosperity in all fields, financially, worldly, and spiritually. Samaivar Muttamandintu. He Prabhu, if I have disrespected anything, any place, not respected time or emotion in past, present, or future in the entire past year, or even if I had impure or negative thoughts, whether I remember my mistakes or not, Jam Sambrami, Jam Jana Sambrami, for all such negativity and disrespect, Hey Paramatman, I seek your forgiveness. I pray that may all of us be able to hold on to positive thoughts. On this divine day of Mahamanglik, may positivity and good luck spread in all directions. May everyone have positive emotions and all our hearts be filled with happiness. Hey Prabhu, on this divine morning, may there be devotion and respect in all our hearts towards our Prabhu. Hey Prabhu, we request you to keep your kind sight on us and look after all of us. On this day, I wish to make a resolution to serve everyone kindly and respectfully with my mind, heart, and speech, and spend every moment for well-being of others. May I spend my days and each moment in serving and providing help to everyone. I wish to give joy to everyone. I hope my hands are always eager to help and support others. My eyes always shower love and kindness. My speech is pleasing to all. And my entire life is beneficial to others. Hey Prabhu, please shower your grace on us. Hey Prabhu, please shower. शुभ थाओ, श्री थाओ, मंगल थाओ, कल्याण थाओ, शुभम भवा.